Kasantarik unailur malakasnem kade kasengi burom jo kinohi kai lani ka Teachers Day. Yakni kasengi layo na kasengi kha jo Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan u President ba ar jo kari India baru belongru ha ka jo kapor uwe na kinohi kai bakrau jong kari. Minta kesenam kare kesenam ke bae shisha na ke benta kinoi kai ha ke bakim yo alat chu banyak kendo mar khamat baki khna school nalor kata ki babon ru ki lahaban pintre kam tak online class na mar ka jingkhang ki school na ka jing online shop ka jingpang covid-19 bon kla do ru ban cha pun ko buram la ne ban lekmen ha ke bakum gane ka singi bakrau jongki na mar ka ne ka jingkhang dam la ne ka lockdown Kari khasi channel kum kadak ka jingburam ye baro kinoi kai ni wanra ekani ka program bakar pang na ka benta jongki Ningkong e nginyas dang shwai ka khubor ai khublei bat kitbok kirwiang nu menteri ka tanat ka thok katar bar ka pule ka puthi jo ka sarkar me galaya uba lakmen rumpoi bar kumjoru iwei ne kir khot kaliang persha I Dr. Amprin Lingdo
Kabanongkong ka longba nga ai ka jing khublei basungu yaki no hikai jong ka state barok away but satlak jong kari hakan neka badai ka ski buram ka jong ki mentau snem ngilayo iba baro ki jingjia ki long ki ba hadu kata ki bakta ya ka perthai ka maryang barok away ka bakta tam kadai na ka benta ki school ki phi ki no hikai ki badai ki paya jong ko school ki badai ki nong sharai ki badai ki nong ai jing tip ba ki dei ki nong betilti jong ki khna ngat harai ba ka min sem jong phi kanom hun ba phim yo ban pendep ya kata ka lengkor ka ba philashim ya kata ka jing smai ka ba philashim ba phin hikai ya ki khon ki ti ki jongi henry kom ki briu ki ba don ke ching kermen ngi kermen scam ba kane ka de ka tang ka tem free face ka ba phin la biang ban betin lenti ya ki khon ki ti ki jongi hakum kane ka por ka ba kongsan kalong kum ki no hikai ngilatip ba ka school lada kilong kila ban long hakono kono ko por ka responsibility jong phi kan lang khia shu kham tam ye ki class ki ba kham ye ki class ki barit namar ba am dei shu ban hikai tang namta ki kot la dei ru ban hikai nak banta kum no ban im ha lada hakum ki ni ki por ki ba manta tengah ka jisngeu jonga ha ji I jonga baki no hikai philong ki balajet ya kan kam phikit khian nak we ka posh we ka por hoit ngi nak le ka sarkar ngilayo I ngilaya kendo bat phi man ka por ma baki bun ki chik ki jing ki ba umdei tang menta ki baladon naduk menshwa ki ba sateng ki ba hapai pan yo hakum ngana ka por ngamla ban penpau ya ka jisongo wat ladap hi don shibun ki kham tam ki nong hikai ki ba ki bom yo ki bom dei na ki government school pidan shibun ki jing ki ba piyo ya ka tulop slam ka jing siu kam da ya biang handrai wala ka taru phi klam klet ya ka duty ka jong phi ka ne ka nok saba bha jong phi ka ai jingkermen yangi Henry kamot pat bangi kum ka sarkar ngin susngap ya ka ka jing jong phi kindai ban wat ya kilat kilenti ba da ka jing trelang da ji snotho ka sarkar ki managing committee bat phi ki no hikai bangin narrow down ya ki jing khnang bangin la bansol kat ki bangin la bansol ta hakum ka negasngi sasin biang ngapan pau ke jing sngongu ko musintor jang sarkar ya ka jing sakri ke jang phi ki no hikai ta no hikai ba philong komba ong menne philong rong tinanti kinam ai jing hikai am tang ki school Henry haki imlang kasalang ngan ya trish tombat phi ka sarkar kan trish tombat phi gin ya snok tilang kna bangin la ban ai ke jing hikai ka ba biang nak banta ki khon ki ti ki jongi khamtam ba ngiru na leng sarkar ngin la ban yale kat bala ba ki jing jong ki no hikai kinom de ki ban susa tang hapo ka jiakren ki dehi kin lahi ban sol katu katne ki jing jong ki no hikai sasisin biang ka sngi no hikai basuk bakmen ai ba kane ka jing kendu jongi ya ki jing haunus nem kan long tang kitem free face ba nga kermen scam ba ngin ya trailang ngin job ya ki jing khublei shibut
ngai khublei kerpang ya kari khasi channel kabala sim ya kani ka kabu ban kan mau yu kinong hikai ha kapor kamtam ba kinong hikai kim don rengkat pergi kena puli ki baju le buram ya ka jingtei ka jongki ya ka jing im jongki pun balang ka im lang salam ti ha kani ka singi ngaru nga ai ka kerwo ka bakerpang ya kinong hikai baro ibahaka ni kaspa snem ha uni usnem arajar arphau kam tam dele kiyo ya kata kajing mat ban hikai shwa ya ladi kumno ba kin adapt but kin hikai ya ladi ba kin nang yai beteng ya kata kapuli kaputi ke jongki na laki jongki yang ha pedeng jong ka de ka klam covid-19 sabaro kinong hikai kibangimla klem da ong khublei si hajar ngo ya kata kasniang ka jong phi kabaman la kasngi bon na pedeng jong phi kinong hikai ki bala hikai yang aru phila song that ringa ngam jula bangan klet ya kata kasniang ka ba kinong hikai jong akila ayanga bat habanga phai shadin shakane ka jinglong ka jingman ka jonga let's say nganum long kum bangalong kum ni lada kinong hikai ki klem ayanga kata ka hikai ka pura ka paka manganlong ka wei na ginong songsnong kiba kham kong san ha kani ka jala ka ba ichungi happy teachers day phi baro kinong hikai ya kitu ki bandang rum ha kani ka profession ka long ka ba ba pat bon sen ngiyo i ba ki babon kinong sosnong ki ongin le long nong hikai naman pangim yo da kawai pat ka kam kacham kumbangi long mangi ki politicians ngangange ba banlong nong hikai ibatikna bat bapura dei bandon ka jingkhot ka bakarpang na uble. Happy Teachers Day to all the teachers. God bless you.
Nalor ki khubor kit bok kit wiang ki bangila yo na kinomi khmat pat ba kari khasi channel kala yo priang ru ya ki jing ai khublei teachers day na ki khna school ha ka bakum kani ka singi ha ba ki school ki yad be ki khna school ki ai buromi ki nahi kai de ki jingwai ki jingshan bar ki we de ki program kaddu kani ki khna school ru ling ba kari khasi channel ki ai buromi ki nahi kai ling ba ki program jonki.
My name is Linza Mary Massar. I stay in Maulai Moro. My school name is St. Joseph Higher Secondary School in Jarrah. Dear teachers, thank you for continually inspired me to do my best and you helped me strive for goals. I found guidance, friendship, discipline and love everything in one person, and that person is you. The most admired teacher will be very kind and smart. She'd always have her students' best interests in a heart, better than 1,000 days of diligence. Study is one day with a great teacher. It is the way you teach, the knowledge you share, the care you take, the love shower makes you the world best. I love you all, my dear teachers. Take care and stay blessed, and happy Teachers Day. Thanks for everything.
Dear teachers, we miss you because we cannot come to school. Happy Teachers Day to all my miss and sir. Thank you.
Happy Teachers Day to all the teachers, and that on this very special day of Teachers' Day. God bless you. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Insan and I wish to all my teachers of Vineland School a very happy Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers to all my miss.
Happy Teachers' Day, teachers! We have nothing to give you on this special day, but we have composed this short song as a special gift for you. August, September, FIVE, we celebrate the Teachers' Day. Thank you for teaching us, Tito Rainy. We remember you all our days. Oh dear teachers, oh dear teachers, we are so grateful to you all for guiding and inspiring us. So thank you and God bless you all. Oh dear teachers, oh dear teachers, we are so grateful to you all for guiding and inspiring us. So thank you and God bless you all.
Hi, I'm Saraiha Abadilinda. I'm from BTW International School.
Hi, I'm Lamandapi Venasatakar from BK Bajoria School.
We would like to thank all the teachers on this special day.
Therefore, we would like to dedicate this song to them as a gesture of love and gratitude. Due to COVID-19, we're not able to meet in person, but we can meet in the space between.
I didn't know what you were going through. I thought that you were fine. What did you have to hide?
I didn't want to let you down, but the truth is out. It's tearing me apart, not listening to my heart. I really had to go,
But I will never stop you.
even though we've tried.
Nothing has to change. And you can find me in the space between. Where two worlds come to meet. We'll never be out of reach. 'Cause you're a part of me, so you can find me in the space between. We'll never be alone. No matter where you go, we can meet in the space between.
Nothing can stay the same. It's growing pains.
Proud of all the scars, they make you who you are. I know you have to stay.
But I'll never really leave you.
Nothing has to change.
No, we've changed.
And you can find me in the space between. Where two worlds come to meet. We'll never be
Dear teacher, thank you for continually inspires me to do my best. You help me strive for goals. I found guidance, friendship, discipline, and love. Everything in one person, and that person is you. One river from the mountain, one river from the sea, one river made the sun and the moon, every bird, every flower, and every tree. One river from the valley, the ocean, the river, and the sand. Those hands are so strong, so when life goes wrong, put your faith into one pair of hands. One pair of hands heal the sick, one pair of hands raise the dead, one pair of hands calm the raging storm, and thousands of people were fed. One pair of hands said I love you, and those hands were nailed into a tree. Those hands are so strong, so when life goes wrong, put your faith into one pair of hands. Those hands are so strong, so when life goes wrong, put your faith into one pair of hands. Put your faith into one pair of hands. One pair of hands.
Happy Teachers' Day, dear teachers. This song is dedicated to all of you. Must have been colder in my shadow to never have sunlight on
Nginget bakani ka program ka bangilawan ra shphi kla long ka jingkmen ya barok ki noi kai bar kumjuru ya ki tu gi bajunyo buram ya ki na kaliang ka khasi channel ru ngi ong khuble shuboni phi barok ki noi kai ba a very happy Teachers Day.